everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. See, dear children, in our English course book there are many poems and nice prose lessons. We learn them, we go through them, and after learning them, understanding in better way, we do the workshop activity given under them, right? So there is an activity on page number 16. Let's see what is that activity is. See here, very simple and easiest activity. Read the examples and fill in the blanks in the same pattern. So there is a pattern given to you, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Okay, and you can see there are some blanks are there and you have to fill those blanks. Okay, now you go through A, B and C, all these sub questions. You will come to know that this is a type of question or activity which we have already learned, and this is just the revisory activity because initially in our book it is given on page number 16, right? So in today's session, we are going to learn more about this. Now, what is this? Why it is called so? And what are the other rules related with this that we are going to learn in today's session? So, without any delay, we will move to today's session. See here, I'll show you a picture. Okay. Now, you are very familiar with these words, positive, comparative and superlative. Right? You have already learnt about this. What are they called in English and when we use them? We have learned in standard 7, we have learned in standard 8. So in standard 9, initially we will revise this, what we have learnt earlier, and then we will try to know more about it. See here, I'll show you one more picture. There are three pictures. So in first picture you can see a boy who is smart. Okay. In second picture you can see there are two boys, first boy and one more boy. So here we have written smarter. He is smart, but he is smarter when he is compared with some more else or someone else. Okay, with one more boy. And in third picture you can see there are more boys now. Our first boy and two more boys. So here number of boys are increased, you can see there. They have increased. So we can say he is smartest. He is smart. He is smarter of the two and he is smartest of the three. So this type of comparison is known as degree of comparison. Okay, degree. So here in first case we say it is positive degree. Okay, he is not compared with anyone else. In second picture you can see he is compared with someone else. There are only two. And in third picture you can see there he is compared with more than one. So that is known as superlative degree. First is positive when comparison between two, then that is comparative, and more than two, then it is superlative degree. This is what we have learnt in standard 6 and standard 7, standard 8 too. Now then what is we are going to learn in standard 9? Let's see. So the topic of our today's session is degrees of comparison of adjective. Okay. So here first of all we will read a definition of comparative degree. What is a comparative degree? The comparative degree of comparison is used. When it is used? When two persons or things are being compared. जेव्हा दोन वस्तू किंवा दोन व्यक्ती यांच्यामध्ये तुलना केली जाते तेव्हा कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्रीचा आपण वापर करतो. It expresses that a quality is present to a greater or lesser degree in one of the two persons or things being compared. Okay? चांगलं किंवा वाईट quality in a greater or lesser degree. Okay? In which degree it is. Then it is comparison is done between one of the two persons or things being compared. Then it is known as comparative degree. Now we have seen what is comparative degree. Now we will read more about it. The degree of comparison in English grammar are made with the adjective and adverb words. This is very important, my dear children. Note it down. When we are using comparative degree, or when are you doing comparison, or in what way? That when there are adjective and adverb words. आता adjective आणि adverb words म्हणजे काय हे आपण ऑलरेडी शिकलेलो आहोत. So to show how big or small, high or low, more or less, many or few, etc. of the qualities, numbers and positions of the nouns. Okay? Persons, things, places in comparison to the others mentioned in the other part of sentence, expressions. When the comparison degree or comparative degree is used in grammar, it is used with adjective and adverb words. To show, to compare, big or small. Elephant is big, and you can see a mouse is smaller than elephant. Okay, so here to show how big or small, high or low, more or less. I have less than you, so in this case many or few, etc. So there are qualities, there are numbers, there is position, and that is of noun. Noun means the naming to person, things and places. So in case of doing comparison between persons, things and places that is mentioned in the same part of a sentence, okay, then we use the degree of comparison. एकाच वाक्यातल्या दोन किंवा अधिक गोष्टींची तुलना करायला ते पण ऍडजेक्टिव्ह किंवा ऍडवर्ब वर्ड्स असतील तर आपण इकडे डिग्री ऑफ कंपॅरिझनचा उपयोग करतो. Now we will see three types of degrees. We will revise again what we have learned in last standard. So first we know as positive degree. What is positive degree? When adjective is not used to compare. Okay, only is used to show one noun's or material's quality is called positive degree. For example, we can see here fat. You can see a fat cat. Okay, so when adjective is not used to compare, now you can see here fat is an adjective and cat is a noun. आता आपण मागच्याच भागात बघितलं, मागच्या स्लाइडवर बघितलं की नाउन मध्ये पर्सन, थिंग्स और प्लेसेस त्याच्याबद्दल किंवा त्याची कंपॅरिझन करताना आपण या डिग्रीचा वापर करतो. आता पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री केव्हा असते की when we are not doing any comparison, only to use to show one noun's or material's quality, that is a positive degree. Okay, then next comes the comparative degree. As we have discussed earlier, when adjective is used to compare between two nouns or two materials to their faults, qualities and conditions is called comparative degree. When you are comparing between two things. Now here one more cat. So this cat is fatter than the previous one. Okay, so here we are comparing two cats or two nouns and with their qualities, and in this condition it is called comparative degree. जेव्हा आपण दोन व्यक्ती, दोन वस्तू, दोन ठिकाणं, दोन प्राणी यांच्यामध्ये जेव्हा तुलना करतो आणि तुलनात्मक जो शब्द वापरतो तो कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्रीचा असतो. आता बघा पहिला आपण फक्त फॅट हे एक ऍडजेक्टिव्ह घेतलं, अ फॅट कॅट. But here in second picture you can see this cat is fatter than the previous one. So here we are comparing two cats. Okay. And then the next comes the superlative degree. See, the word itself is showing the meaning of that degree. Superlative, super. So when adjective is used among nouns to compare them, then it is called superlative degree. Among nouns. Now see, in first case it was only, in second case it was between, and between means two. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे between हा शब्द आपण कधी वापरतो, जेव्हा दोनच वस्तूंबद्दल आपण बोलत असतो. आणि आता इथे तिसऱ्या डेफिनेशन मध्ये आपण among हा शब्द वापरला. among means more than two. ओके, आणि त्या केस मध्ये ही सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री असते. नाव यू कॅन सी fattest. Now this third cat is fattest among these three cats. First one it was just fat. In second case we have used fatter, and in third case it is fattest. So when you compare more than two, then that is the superlative degree. आतापर्यंत आपण काय बघितलं? डिग्री ऑफ कंपॅरिझन म्हणजे काय, ते कधी वापरतात, कोणत्या दोन गोष्टी, ऍडवर्ब अँड ऍडजेक्टिव्ह. Then we have seen or revised whatever degrees we have learned in last or earlier standards. Three types of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative, and when it is and how it is used. So we will learn more about it. Now see, the comparative degree compares the quality of one or thing with another and uses er or more. आता कंपॅरेटिव्ह आपण बघितली, फॅट फॅटर, तिथे आपण ER लावलं, बट इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज ER. समटाइम्स वी हॅव टू पुट मोर ऑल्सो. आपण हे विथ एक्झाम्पल्स बघणारच आहोत. सो विथ द मिनिंग ऑफ द ऍडजेक्टिव्ह. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ब्राइटर, ब्राइट, brighter. Here we have just added ER to that bright. So here you can see the comparative form of that word bright, brighter. But sometimes we have to use more also. How is the meaning of that adjective? Expensive. You can't say expensiver. It is more expensive. Okay. So while framing the comparative form of the word expensive in positive, you have to add more there. काही केसेस मध्ये आपल्याला ER लावून चालत नाही, तर तिकडे दुसऱ्या शब्दाचा वापर करावा लागतो, that is more. Now again we will see these three degrees with different prefixes: positive, comparative and superlative degrees. See the first example. As you know, adding ER and EST to the superlative: fat, fatter, fattest. In earlier example we have seen. So in positive it is just low. In comparative we have added ER, so lower, and in superlative it has become lowest because we have added EST there. And as we have seen in earlier case, more expensive. So here after adding more to the comparative and most to the superlative, how does it changes? Look at this example: fearful. So more fearful and most fearful. हे बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जसं मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपल्याला ER EST लावून चालत नाही. हेच आपल्याला नवीन शिकायचं आहे. ओके, आपल्याला जो बुक मध्ये चार्ट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपण ER EST लावून शिकतच आहोत. But we should know, we should learn something more than that, beyond that. So in some cases we have to add more and most these prefixes to form the comparative and superlative degrees. आता हे कधी वापरायचं हे मात्र तुम्हाला नीट लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे, किंवा अशा प्रकारचे शब्द शोधून ते तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस त्याची केली पाहिजे. Now there are some irregular form also. आता इथे तीन टाइपचं तुम्हाला मी दाखवते की आपण कशा प्रकारे लिहू शकतो. एक तर ER EST लावून, more and most लावून, किंवा एकदमच वेगळे फॉर्म असतात, त्याला इर्रेग्युलर फॉर्म्स म्हणतात. हे आपण हे डिटेल मध्ये पुढे शिकणार आहोत. आपण जे शिकणार आहोत त्याचं मी तुम्हाला इथे एक झलक दाखवते. सो गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, these are known as irregular form. त्याच्यामध्ये ना ER EST लागत, ना more most लागत. वेगळे शब्द आपल्याला तिकडे कंपॅरेटिव्ह आणि सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये वापरावे लागतात. कसे ते आपण पुढे डिटेल मध्ये बघणार आहोत. ओके, आता ER EST कधी लागतं? when the words are with one syllable. low, one syllable, lower, lowest. Then when the words are with two syllables, we can add the same ER or est or more and most. Go to the second example again. Fearful, fearful, 2 syllables. Okay. Then here in that case you have to add more and most. And in third case 3 or more syllables, again you will add more and most. And it is not always showing in the increasing degree. Sometimes we have to use the degrees in decreasing case also. Then in that case you have to use less and least. बघा नेहमी जास्त आपण दाखवत नाही, कधीतरी कमी पण आपल्याला दाखवावं लागतं. त्याला डिक्रीजिंग डिग्री म्हणतो आपण, खाली येणं. त्या केसमध्ये आपल्याला लेस आणि लिस्ट हे शब्द पण वापरावे लागतात. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ही जी इन्फॉर्मेशन तुम्हाला आता स्क्रीनवर दिसते ही खूप महत्वाची आहे. बघा आपण नेहमी EREST लावून जर डिग्री चेंज करत बसलो तर आपल्याला मे बी ते रॉंग होऊ शकतं. ओके, तर हे जे तुम्हाला इथे मी नियम दाखवले आहेत या स्लाइडवर, these rules are very important. You should better learn it by heart. Comes the next part of the degree. Degrees of comparison of adjectives. As we have learned, positive degree, there is no comparison. In comparative degree, we have to add adjective plus ER. Okay, low, lower. And in superlative degree, sometimes you have to add the before adjective and est. The is prefix and est is the suffix of that adjective. Okay, how's that? We will see with examples. See here, hot. Hot is positive degree. Hotter, hotter is comparative degree. We have added er to the adjective. And if you have to change it into superlative degree, then the plus adjective plus est, the hottest. This is the hottest day of the year. आपण म्हणतो ना कधी कधी मे महिन्यामध्ये खूप गरम होतं किंवा आपण न्यूज मध्ये बघतो. Okay, 26th May is the hottest day of the year. So here you can see the difference or the change. In superlative degree you have to add the prefix before the adjective and the suffix est to that. आता हे सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये EREST आपण वापरतो, आपल्याला हा कॉमन रूल माहिती आहे, पण प्रत्येक वेळेला तो तसाच वापरू असं नाही, तर त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय चेंजेस आणि केव्हा केव्हा करावे लागतात हे पण विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो तुम्हाला मी ते सांगते. त्यामुळे हे खूप छान व्यवस्थित पहा, ऐका आणि पुन्हा पुन्हा हे जाणून घ्या. Here one more example, warm, positive, warmer, we have added er there, so it is comparative, and in superlative it is the warmest. Okay, the plus warm, positive degree, adjective, and est, that is the superlative degrees suffix. So the warmest. So we have seen in positive degree we are not using any comparison. In comparative degree, we are using sometimes more plus adjective, and in superlative form, we are using the most plus adjective. So these are two different things. वर आपण बघितलं बघा, the वापरायचं, त्याच्यानंतर adjective form आणि त्याच्यानंतर est. आणि दुसऱ्या टाईपचं एक्झाम्पल असं पण असतं, आपण मोर अँड मोस्ट मागच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये बघितलं तर काही वेळेला आपल्याला कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये मोर हे प्रिफिक्स लावावं लागतं ऍडजेक्टिव्हच्या अगोदर. ओके, अँड मोस्ट, फॅब्युलस, मोर फॅब्युलस अँड द मोस्ट फॅब्युलस. ओके, म्हणजे काही वेळेला आपल्याला मोर अँड मोस्ट लावून ती सुपरलेटिव्ह आणि कंपॅरेटिव्ह फॉर्म मध्ये चेंज करायचं असतं. आता प्रत्येक टाईपचं आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल आपण पाहतोच आहोत, पण जास्तीत जास्त तुम्हाला हे लक्षात राहिला, जसं मी मगाशी म्हटलं की तुम्ही एक चार्ट तयारच करून ठेवा. तुम्हाला तो शब्द तिथे दिसला की यू गो ऑन ऍडिंग इन दॅट लिस्ट. Now we will see the next rule. If the adverb ends in ly. आता आपण बघितलं सुरुवातीला की comparison degree we are using with adjective and adverb words, right? We have seen about adjective. Now what about adverb? If the adverbs end in ly, then the comparative degrees is formed by adding more before the positive, and the superlative degree is formed by adding most before the positive. Means what? See, we have seen so many rules related to adjective. Now we are moving towards the adverb. Okay, when you know the words are adverb and ending in ly, then in that case in comparative degree you have to use more, and in superlative degree you have to use most. For example, we will see positive, carefully. Now carefully in positive degree. Okay, now here you can see the adverb is ending with ly. Careful, carefully, this is the adverbial form. Okay, and one more word, gently, gently, so ly. Now how it will be in comparative form? Just think, I have showed you the rule. Add more before the positive. Yes, got your answer? Check your answer. In comparative degree, as we have seen the rule, more plus positive form of that word or that adverb. Okay? How it will be? More carefully. Isn't it easy? बघा, ॲडवर्ब जर ly ने एंड होत असेल तर त्याच्या आधी फक्त मोर लावायचं आणि आपल्याला कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री फॉर्म मिळतो. जेंटली, मोर जेंटली. तसंच सुपरलेटिव्ह फॉर्म मध्ये मोरच्या जागी मोस्ट वापरायचं. वी नो दॅट मोर इन कंपॅरेटिव्ह, मोस्ट इन सुपरलेटिव्ह. सो हिअर मोस्ट केअरफुली and most gently. Okay, got it? When we are talking about the adverb words. Now we will move to the next example. Wisely, beautifully. Then wisely will turn into more wisely, as we have learned the rule. If adverb is ending with ly, use more before that. Beautifully, more beautifully. In superlative form, most wisely and most beautifully. Right? So these are some more examples related to that rule. But there are some exceptions to this rule too. नियम असला की त्याला अपवाद येतातच आणि ते जाणून घेणं आपल्यासाठी खूप महत्वाचं असतं, नाही तर सगळीकडे आपण सेमच वापरत जाणार. What are the exceptions to this rule? Just see. Some adverbs ending in ly do not use more and most for their comparative and superlative degree of comparison. Now you will say, just now Snehal teacher told us that add more and most if the adverb is ending in ly. But yes, my dear children, let me introduce you with the exception to this rule. How's that? See, if it in positive form, it is early. Okay, now here early, that adverb is ending with ly. मग तुम्ही काय करणार? स्नेहल मिसने सांगितलं कंपॅरेटिव्ह मध्ये लिहा more early. No, my dear children, wait. Here there is an exception to this rule. What is that? In comparative form, how we have to change it? Earlier. Now it is not more early, but it is earlier. आता काय त्याच्यामध्ये चेंज झालंय बघा. इथे y होता. Okay? And we have converted into I. बघा y चा I झाला आणि ER झाला. Okay? We have added ER to that comparative. And in superlative form, you have to add est. Convert y into I and add est. So in this case it is not more earlier and most earlier, but it is earlier and earliest. So that is the exception to the rule. When it is ending with y, convert into I. How's that? We will see. See here, next rule is that avoid double comparison. Means what? Never use both er and more to make the comparative form. See, using er and more in one example is no to you. That is not advisable. For example, that house is more bigger than this. You cannot use. This is the wrong example I'm showing you. Do not use ER and more in the same example or in same to make the comparative form or to change it into the comparative form. Okay, that house is bigger than this. You can say that. Okay, but you cannot say that house is more bigger than this. Do not use ER and more in to make the comparative form at the same time. Likewise, never use EST and most to make the superlative form. Okay, for example, Bunty's house is the most biggest of all. Do not use most and EST in the same sentence. बघा इकडे लक्षात घ्या, मी तुम्हाला रूल सांगते आणि त्याच्याबरोबर काय करायचं नाही, व्हॉट टू अवॉइड और एक्सेप्शन्स ते पण इथे सांगते बाळांनो. नीट लक्षात घ्या. हे नीट सावकाश व्हिडिओ हा झाल्यानंतर ऐकल्यानंतर पुन्हा एकदा बघा. इथे पॉज करा, हे रूल्स तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या किंवा नोट इट डाऊन करा तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये. ओके, avoid double comparison. Never use double comparison in same sentence while changing positive to comparative or positive to superlative or comparative to superlative. Use only one form. Okay, is it clear to you? Now, as I told you earlier that we are going to see some irregular adjective and adverbs too. आपण बघितलं first time we have to add ER or EST. Then we have seen more and most. Then we have seen how Y changes into I. And at the same time, I have showed you one example. Do you remember that? Good, better, best. And that is called as irregular form of the degree. Here we will see some more examples of that. In positive, if it is good, in comparative it will be better, and in superlative it will be best. Good, better, best. It is not good, gooder, goodest. Okay, it is good, better, best. If it is bad in positive, it is not badder but it is worse in comparative and worst in superlative. हा चार्ट खूप महत्वाचा आहे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. बघा, लिटिल असेल तर लेस और लेसर. वी हॅव सीन द डिग्री, डिक्रीजिंग डिग्री. तुम्हाला मगाशी मी म्हटलेलं डिक्रीज पण होतं ना. बघा, गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट हे इन्क्रीजिंग आहे, चढत्या क्रमाने आहे. पण कधी कधी आपल्याला उतरता क्रम पण दाखवायचा असतो. लिटिल पेक्षा पण कमी असेल तर लेस और लेसर, अँड अगदीच कमी असेल तर लिस्ट. आपण म्हणतो ना ऍटलिस्ट हे तर कर माझ्यासाठी, म्हणजे कमीत कमी, ऍटलिस्ट, मिनिमम. Then much or many असेल तर more or most. So these are some examples, not all. This is the minimum example I am showing you. And here your work now starts. You have to find out more irregular form and go on adding in your list. Okay, this is very important chart. We will read it once again. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less or lesser or least. Much or many, more and most. Now we will see, we have just, I have mentioned in above case, adjective of one syllable that end you have to add with ER and EST, and adjective ending on E just add ER or EST. This is very important role my dear children. Adjective जर E मध्ये end होत असेल तर परत E लावायची गरज नाही. Just add ER or EST. And some adjectives double the final consonant. Okay. Now we will see examples of these three rules. See, in first case, adjective ending with one syllable. Actually आपण वर बघितलंय बघा, पण परत इकडे मी तुम्हाला दाखवते. We have seen old, older, oldest. Here small, smaller, smallest. We have just added ER to the comparative form and EST to the superlative form. Okay. For the second rule, see here adjectives ending on E. Nice, N-I-C-E. In that case, you have to just add ER and EST. Okay, no need of adding E again there. Nicer, nicest. R and ST we have added there. adjective, those end on each, you have to just add R and ST, not ER and EST, R and ST. Already E is there in that word, okay? And some adjectives double the final consonant. Example of the third rule, see big. Now here you do not add big, more big or most big, okay? While adding ER and EST, you have to double the last consonant or the final consonant. Bigger. Now here we have added one more G. In comparative and in superlative too, we have added one more G and EST. Okay, biggest, big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Do we add ER double L there? Sometimes we have to know that. Suppose now in tall, two L are there, then you should not add one more L. So here, while telling you the rule, I am telling you the exception of the rule too. Now we will revise what we have learned in today's session. आतापर्यंत आपण कोणकोणते rules बघितले एकदा fast revision करूया आपण त्याची. Only one syllable ending in E. That is, just now we have seen nice. Then R, only we are adding R in comparative and ST in superlative. Okay. Then rule we have learned that when there are two syllables and ending in Y, change into I and add ER. Happy? Remove that Y and instead of that go on adding I. जिथे Y असतं ते Y काढायचं आणि तिथे I लिहायचं. You replace it with I. Happy, happier. See इथे बघा आपण Y काढलाय आणि I घातलाय आणि त्याला पुढे ER घातलाय. IER. Then superlative, add EST. Y. Remove Y and add EST. Happiest. Okay? Happy, happier, happiest. One more rule we have learned that two syllables or more not ending Y. Example, beautiful. In that case, we have to use more. More beautiful in comparative and most beautiful in superlative form. ओके, ऍडजेक्टिव्हच्या आधी मोर आणि मोस्ट हे घालून मग आपल्याला त्याचं कंपॅरेटिव्ह आणि सुपरलेटिव्ह फॉर्म तयार करायचा आहे. Next rule was that to form a sentence using the superlative degree of adjective, use the before the adjective. आपण याचं उदाहरण बघितलं बघा वर. Before the adjective. My house is the biggest of all. And now, last but not least, we are using the rule about framing the sentence in comparative form. To form a sentence using the comparative degree of adjective, use than. Okay, my house is bigger than yours when you are comparing between two things. Then here we have not using the as we have seen in superlative form, but here we are using than. My house is bigger than yours. Okay, I'm taller than you. So when you are comparing two things, use than before this. So in this way, my dear students, we have learned many rules related to degree, how the positive turns into comparative and superlative. In our book, there is a workshop activity on page number 16. You learn this rule and do that activity.